This is Farnuddin Ahmed Fuad. I'm your bird soul friend introducing beautiful country, the land of this is Ramna Park. I'm going to introduce our Dhaka's most beautiful place and historical place where I'm standing. It's a beautiful place and historical place of Bangladesh. This is Ramna Park. You are going to watch Ramna Park's beautiful places. watching the place Ramna Parks, which is very much beautiful and very much old and large public park in Bangladesh. The city is historical place of Ramna Park. So still, I hope that you are enjoying very much the beauty of Bangladesh, the natural beauty of Ramna Park also. And you know, every year Bengali and Bengali nation celebrate that Hole Boishak, a new Bengali New Year celebrate here. That is Ramna Batumul. Viewers, I was talking a man who was walking in this place, that is Ramna Park, before 20 years. He was telling to me that I have been maintaining this routine before 20 years, and I came here in the morning, and 1.5 an hour I take physical exercise and morning work. You know, you also watching the very much crowded here, and lots of people was walking there, and they are enjoying their beauty, and some are drawing picture, and some are enjoying walking in the morning time. So I hope this beauty you have enjoyed very much, and you know, you have some controversial. Some are say that there are some problems, controversy in this place. Despite all things, all controversy, this place has been become a national heritage of Bangladesh. So we come here in the Ramna Park.